Hello, it's Teddy and Graham here, and this is our first episode on this YouTube channel. So we're going to explore farming equipment, and if you know how to spell farms, then comment down below. But if you don't, it's spelled F-A-R-M-S. Is that right, Teddy?
Yeah.
Okay, so some of our first equipment are tractors. Okay, this is a broken tractor, but this is the steering wheel, and the seat's broken. But this is the seat. Those are the big tires. But you might think those are the tires. But you might think that those little tires are on there. But they actually help. They help you stay in the grass correctly. And big tires won't work. They like run over mud, and you get a lot of mud on your tires. Nobody wants that, right?
Right.
Oh yes.
So how about I show them the front of the tractor? These are the stairs, and if they weren't stairs, it would be hard to get up. But these are stairs, and they help you get up. And these help the tires stay in place, and the lights help them be at night. And look, that it helps the tire stay in place. It helps the tire to not pop because there's a big pressure in it. And now let's move on to the front. This is the interior, and that's the, I don't know what that is, but this is the front, and those are like the, I don't know what these are called, but I know that it's the and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you like this video.